Your Microsoft 365 subscription includes cloud storage for all of your work files, so they are secure and can be accessed from any device. And depending on their use, you'll put them in OneDrive, Teams, or both. But when should you use each one? First, let's take a look at OneDrive, which is where you want to store personal files, files that you want to carefully control who has access to, or files that are not ready for broader collaboration. It's already built into many of your favorite Microsoft apps such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so when you're saving a document, OneDrive is right there as a top option for you to save to. Documents stored to OneDrive are located in the OneDrive folder on your computer. Here, you can create new documents from a variety of apps and drag and drop existing documents, so they'll be available to you whenever you need them. Even though OneDrive is best used for your personal files, you can still share with others from the OneDrive folder, or when you're editing your document, you can share right from the app. Now let's take a look at Microsoft Teams, which is where you should store documents that you want to work on with others. Every team has a Files tab, which every member of that team can access. Just like with OneDrive, you can both create new documents for your favorite apps and drag and drop existing documents from your computer so everyone on the team can work on them together. Even though everyone on this team has access to the documents, you can still share documents with people not on the team or outside of your company. Additionally, you can add people to the team as new members if you will be collaborating with them frequently. Now you know, the best place to put files that belong to just you is OneDrive, and the best place to put files that you're working on with others is Teams. Thanks for watching!